replacement algorithm. So you are familiar with the first in first out. What do you mean by first in first out? Yes. Okay. Let me only tell you what do you mean by first in first out. The page which entered first will be replaced first. Okay. So let's see the algorithm first. Let's step 1 says that we have to start the process. Now let's go to step 2. Step 2 says that if the memory holds fewer pages, that means if a memory is that's like my fellow mate Nancy said, main memory. Like my fellow mate said, that main memory contains of frames. So we have 3 frames. If the page arrives at this point, let's say page number 5, now it should be inserted, but it was not available here. So it will be a page fault. What is a page fault? Now page fault is the thing, it is present in a virtual memory, but it is not loaded in the main memory. So it becomes a fault when we try to insert it in the main memory. So it becomes a page fault. So you have to mark here a page fault. Now let's say 6 comes. 5 is inserted here. Now 6 comes. Is 6 present in this? No. So again it becomes page fault, but we have to insert it. Now let us say 1 comes. 1 is not available here. It also becomes a page fault, but we have to insert it. Now the frames becomes full. So what does it say? If the memory holds fewer pages, then the capacity goes to else step 5. Where is the step 5? Here. Else pop the element from the queue. So we have to pop the element from the queue. Now next page comes as, let us say that 5. Again 5 comes. Then what the step 5 says? Else pop the element from the queue. But what our next step says? Push the page until the queue is full. That I have explained you how it gets full. Now step 6. Now replace the topmost page which was inserted first. Before that we have to in this step 4 it says if the current page is present then do nothing. Now the page occurred is page 5, but it was already present in the frame. So you have to do nothing. You have to write same as it. It is not a page fault. It becomes a hit. It means it got memory allocated. Now let us understand with the example. Is it visible? So you can see here. This is a reference string of pages, and these are the frames of the main memory. Okay, these are the reference strings of pages, and that is the frames of main memory. So let us see how it enters. Now the page 3 enters. As per the algorithm, what do you know? It is not present in the frame, so it becomes a fault, but we have to insert it. Now page 2 enters here. Is it present in the frames? Okay, so it becomes a fault, we have to enter once again. Now 1 comes. Is 1 present in the frames? No. So we have to enter it, but it is a fault because it is not present here. Now 3 comes. Is 3 present in the frames? Okay. So we have to do nothing as per the step 4. So it becomes a hit. Now 4 occurs. Is it present in the frame? Okay. Now which to replace from this? Okay. The first inserted page is 3, which has more number of, it is long lasting for more time, and it is inserted first, so I have to replace this. 4, 2, 1. This becomes a fault because it was not present here before. Now 1 enters. 1 is there in the frame? Yes. You have to do nothing. It becomes a hit. Now 6 enters. Is 6 present in the frame? No. So which we should replace? Good. Because 2 is remaining for more time and it was inserted first in this. Because this has recently arrived. This is for 4 times arrived and this is the more time which is arrived. So we have to change this. It becomes a fault because it was not present before. Now 2 arrives. Is 2 present? Then which one to replace? It becomes fault. Now 4 arrives. Is 4 present? So it becomes do nothing. It should be exactly what it is. It becomes hit. So how many page faults do you see here? So the page faults are 6. Did you understand the theoretical part of this and the example of the first algorithm?
I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
What if frame numbers are increased?
More number of faults will increase, ma'am.
Increase the frame number to 4
Yes, ma'am.
and count the page faults. I want to just know if you increase the frame numbers, frame numbers, whether page faults decrease.
Decrease.
Huh?
Because this answer is
So, prove it.
I have not tried that. I will
It's
plan.
okay, you can do it. You understood the concept, right?
Yes.
Explain the concept.
We arrived. But here it collision comes from here. I got it.
Don't stand in front. Stand
To
side.
write that I will come.
Audience are seeing your problem.
Done this. Now the page fault is 5. Decrease with 1.
Let us see next problem.
Now the second algorithm is LRU. LRU means least recently used. By the name of the algorithm, we can understand that we have to replace the page which is least recently used. Let us come to the example. The example is like 3 enters the frame, but it was not loaded first, so it becomes a fault. Now 2 occurs. 2 also is not present in the frame, so it becomes a fault. Now comes for the 1. 1 is also not present. It becomes a fault. Now 3 is present. Now which to replace? 1. 3 is already there. Okay. It becomes a hit. So now 4 is not there in the frame. Which place to replace?
1.
Nandita, can you explain how? 1. How it's 2? Explain. Now let's who was telling 1? Let it be, I'll explain. We have to replace 2 because we have to see at the left side which one is occurred recently. 3 has occurred recently, 1 has occurred recently, but 2 is far away. So we have to replace 2. So it becomes 3, 2, 3, 4, 1. It becomes a fault because it was not present. Now 1. 1 is present in the frame, so you have to do nothing. Now 6 is not present. Which one we have to replace? Is it a fault? So now it comes 2. 2 is present in the frame. Which one to replace? Now 4. 4 is present. So where to replace? What are the page number faults? Page faults. Yes? Did you understand how do we replace the pages?